I like using background a lot because background adds credence to what you are doing. Your video adds beauty to it. And one of the things that interests people when they watch your video is one, the quality of your sound, the video, and then the quality of your camera. Okay, so video background goes a long way to add interest to what you are doing. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the background of your video. And the beauty of it all is that you can do it even with your phone. With a simple app, I'm going to show you, you can change the background of your video to something else. Another thing also you need to note is that using background to your video has some rules that you must take, okay? Because of privacy issues, make sure the background you are using are backgrounds that are free from license issues. Okay, don't just go to the internet and any background you see you copy and then you start using on your video. It may attract copyright issues for you. But there are a lot of free background out there that you can use, in your video. Also, if you are good in creativity, you can also shoot good background. Like I like shooting backgrounds. You can just go out there even with a good phone camera. Okay, you can snap a very good environment, nature. You can just take a photograph of them and then you can use it as your background. Also, you can also use PowerPoint to design your own background or graphic packages like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, and so many of them. You can use it to design your background. Okay, but if you cannot do all of this, you can go to Google and also search for free background. There are also free websites. I'm going to drop their link in my video, like pixels.com. These are places where you can also get free background. So having said that, let's get uh, to the business of today on how you can change the background of your video. Now, the app we are going to be using for this tutorial is called InShot. So you can download it from your Play Store. Just go there and then look for InShot and download it. And then we'll continue from there. Okay, so this is how I removed my video background, okay, to something else. If you don't have the app, you can go to your Play Store and then search for the app. The app we're going to use is called InShot. InShot. Okay, so look at it. InShot Video Editor and Maker. I've already downloaded mine. So if you don't have it, go ahead and download it. And then I'll go ahead and click on. Okay, so this is the app. Once you click on InShot, it will take you to this. This is the app. So you click on video and then you look for the video you want to remove the background. In my own case, this is my video, and then you click on this good here. It will open up the video. So here you have this InShot. Okay, take out this thing and say free remove. Okay, then you allow the ads, because actually that's how InShot is making money from the app. So when you click on remove the watermark, you need to allow it the what is it called? You allow the ads they are playing to finish, and then you continue with what you are doing. Still does not cost you anything. After all, it's a free app you are using. So having done that, you go through the option here, and then let's go to this option that says cutouts. So you click on cutouts. Once you click on this cutouts, you see cutouts. Okay, you will see it remove the background. Hello viewers. Okay, click on this good. Okay, now that we have removed the background, you come out here again, and then you go to background, see background, and then you click on this picture icon, and then you look for the picture you want to use as your new background. Okay, in my own case, I want to use this. Okay, now when you select the picture you want to use as a background, you can decide to blur it. Okay, so these are the levels of blur. Okay, all right, I can use this, and then look at your picture. Just click on it and expand it so that you can see, just by dragging it, expanding your picture to fit in the video. You can see. Hello viewers, thank you for joining me in today's video. So this is the video I made with my normal background, and here I've been able to change the background. You can also go ahead and blur the background depending on what you want to achieve. So I'll leave it at this, and then you click on good, so you can see in few minutes. So I can now go ahead and export. So I want to use the 1080p. Okay, and then I will export. So my video is exporting. You just have to bear with the art they display. So it will convert my video and export it. Then after exporting, you can take the video back to your video editor to add other effects like text, overlays, and every other thing you need to do on the video. You can do it, and then your video will come out clean like my own. Okay, so this is how you can change the background. That you can see my background. This is how you can change the background of your video. So go ahead, look for good background, and then with this you can shoot any video from anywhere, and then you can change the background without any issues. You know that there are pro versions in CapCut and other video editing software that can give you that. But if you have not got money to buy these pro versions, this is a simple and easier way you can get rid of your video background and still achieve what you want to achieve without spending much. So there are people that also have other ways they can do it. Go ahead to also try them out. But if you feel the one I have done here is easier for you, please go right ahead and use it, and then let me know from the comment box of this video if you are able to do it and how good it is changing the background of your video. That does not take out the fact that realistic background remains the ultimate. Okay, but when you don't have money, your background is not good enough, instead of your video to look weird, so you can explore this option, and then you'll see achieve a very good background. This is how you can do it, and the beauty of it is that this can be done with your mobile device. You don't need to pay for any software or have high technical knowledge about the use of computer. With just a simple app, you can take any video on any background, knowing that you have an app you can use to do what, to take out the background, and your video will still come out good and fine. So this is how you can do it. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like my video, put your comment there, and also share it to people that you feel this video will help. And as we do that, it will encourage us to do more of these videos. Thank you.